Hey guys, my name is Jeff Cavell from Building Adhesives. We're down at EMC today. Today we're going to be demoing the Waterproof 1C. What I'm going to show you first is our Waterproof 1C primer. It's red in colour. You apply it on. This goes on certain substrates such as plaster, cement backer boards and our BAL board. This is to reduce the porosity of the background before applying the Waterproof 1C. So as you can see, we've now covered the board, so this is completely covered in the primer. We've given it 15-20 minutes and that's dried up. What we're going to do now is we're going to apply the Waterproof 1C. So it's a ready mix dispersion paste, grey in colour, and as you can see, you just simply roll it on. The benefits of this here are it's Fibre Strand Technology. It will bridge a 2 to 3 mil static crack. It will be dry in 2 hours, so it's a nice fast track system. And once you've used it, whether you use a large amount or a small amount, you can put the lid back on, put it back on the van, and it'll save for the next day. Right, so now we've coated that up. Just to recap on the key points, so it's a one coat system. You can apply it with brush, trowel or roller. It's Fibre Strand Technology. It will bridge a 2 to 3 mil gap and it will be dry, ready for tiling in 2 hours.